Okay, I wanted to show you a little bit about servo motors because you're going to have an assignment in this module concerning them. You've got a small servo motor in your kit. You might have to take this plastic, I think it has kind of a cross like this, and just attach it to the top of the servo. It's very easy to wire up. One end goes to the power, one goes to the signal, and that needs to be to a pulse width modulation capable port. And then the other one just goes to ground. Okay, now the code, to begin with, right above the setup, these two statements include servo.h. What that does is it includes the servo library so that the Arduino has access to that. Then this is creating a servo object. I'm not going to get into the details of the objects at this point. When you take some further courses in programming, you'll learn about objects, but suffice to say that anytime I want to refer to this particular servo, I'm going to call it my servo. And you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Okay, so the setup, just serial.begin 9600. Now right here, I'm going to say my servo.attach, and the 3 is the port that I wired it to, which was, of course, 3. Okay, and then the loop. Now what I want to do is to be able to enter in an integer and cause the servo to swing a certain amount based on the value of the integer that I'm entering. And it's going to be anywhere from 0 to 255. Okay, so this, you've seen this before. Basically what this little construction does is it halts the program until I enter a number into that serial buffer. Once I do that, then I'm using the serial.parseInt to obtain the number and store it in this variable called swing. And then finally, this is what actually rotates the servo, my servo.write, and I'm using that value of swing and then a short delay. Okay, I've got the serial monitor open here. So let me enter a number, let's say 200. How about starting the simulation first? Okay, now it's just zeroing out there. All right, 200. And you can see that it rotates almost 90 degrees. If I wanted to get back to the original position, I put 0. Okay. By the way, I should have said 180 degrees before, not 0, not 90 degrees. Okay, 255 will make swing the whole 180 degrees. And let's try 50. That brings it part of the way back, but not fully. Okay, so that's pretty much all you need to know to do the assignment, along with 4 loops, which I had a video about that previously.